Hi and welcome to this channel. Thank you for joining me on today's video. So I'm going to create a project, rounded corner, very quick and easy project. So in my main activity, I'm adding a recycler view 1. Then I'm going to click on custom and create a custom view. Mine is custom. So before compiling our project, we need to enable APkToAab because this is an Android X view. Our recycler view is an Android X view. So after creating it, we are going to bind our recycler view to the custom view. Then let us add our custom view. Let us add a view. So first thing first, I added a card view. So this is my card view 1. This is my card view 1. This is my card view. So when we add a card view by default, this is all we see. This is all we see for card view. So this is all we see for card view. But since I'm converting it to a material card view to add more feature support, I converted my card view to this, to material card view. Then I'm going to get this. So this is for my stroke. I reduce my elevation. All these are just optional features. And then I added a text view, my text view 1, with text as text. I didn't touch my text. My text size is 14. My text style is bold. So in our onCreate, I created a list map called dummy list map, and then I added 10 dummy data to our repeat block. That is, I'm adding it 10 times. The key is key. Value can be anything, since it's a dummy data. So then we are going to set our layout manager. I want my recycler view to appear vertically. So this is this and this is that. Then I added my unbind custom view. In my unbind custom view, I set text based on the value and the key, and so on and so forth. The value and the key. So let's see how the app looks. So where we want it, these are the app looks. Now let's do some minor editing so that we understand the difference in card view and material card view. So I can set my stroke to make it thicker, and I can change the color to black. Let me reduce my rounded corner. So let's build our app. So we can see now it's black. So thank you for watching this video. So for those who are not fan of video tutorials, we have created a blog, and in the description of this video you can check out our blog on how to get the text-based tutorial for this project. So you can get it there from our video description. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, like and share.